Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. This is Bharat and we are seeing biology series of lectures, and we have already completed almost all the topics in this PDF friends. So we have completed cell structure, digestive system, nervous system, circulatory system, human blood, respiratory, circulatory, excretory systems, and uh, endocrine systems. Classification of plantae is left out here. You have to complete this, and we have completed all these: photosynthesis, vitamins, deficiencies, minerals, carbohydrates, and proteins friends. Okay, today we are going to see the diseases, and in the next video we are going to see classification of plantae, and two more topics are left out and we will complete later friends. A link to download this PDF is given in the down under the description box. You can go there and download this PDF friends, which is very useful for your exams. In this video we are going to see diseases, human diseases. What is a disease? Any disturbance that is causing in our normal body functioning friends, it is called diseases. And we know that we are attacked by diseases by looking into the symptoms. Exhibit some signs called symptoms. So by these symptoms we come to know that we are undergoing some diseases friends. So these diseases are of mainly two types friends. One is inborn diseases or acquired diseases. What is inborn disease? This is also known as congenital diseases. It comes by birth friends. It comes by birth, mainly due to the problems in genetics or chromosomes in our body friends. This genetical disorder and chromosomal disorder causes some diseases from our birth itself, and these are called inborn diseases. If we see genetical disease, these are due to the defective genes and chance to carry forward to our next generation. If father or mother has some defective genes and they are suffering from particular disease due to that genetical disorder, there is a chance for their children to get the same genetical disorder and the same disease. So these are called genetical diseases. For example, we have number of examples of genetically caused diseases friends. For example, hemophilia. Hemo means blood, so the disease pertains to the blood friends. Blood completely fails to clot. This is also called royal disease. What is royal disease? If blood completely fails to clot, if there is any wound, after some time we can see that blood plasma will come into act, and there will be some sealing so that the blood doesn't bleed further friends. But for some royal races, there is a disease called hemophilia. When they have a cut or a burn on their skin or on their organs, see friends, that blood will be oozing out continuously and the blood clotting will not be seen in their bodies friends. This is due to their marriageal, they marry within their royal line itself friends. They don't go out of their family for their marriage. That is the reason for them. Okay friends, the another genetical disease which we can see is color blindness. Fails to identify primary colors. Primary colors are red, blue, and RB green friends. Red, blue, and green. Alkoptonuria, black urine disease. Thalassemia, defective hemoglobin. Sickle cell anemia, RBC turn to sickle shape friends. Wilson's disease, copper accumulation in body parts. Albinism, complete absence of melanin. Melanin, what is melanin? Is a pigment which is responsible for the complexion of our skin, friends. Muscular dystrophy, muscle function disturbances, cystic fibrosis, mucus stick in the lungs, friends. So these all the 9 diseases. There will be some more diseases which are genetically caused and transferred from one generation to other generation. What is chromosomal disorder? Usually, ideally, without any defect, the ideal chromosomes are 46 in number, friends. 46 in number, and usually there will be 44 chromosomes in males and X, that is 45th, and Y, that is 46th in male, friends. Whereas in female we can say there will be 44 chromosomes and the last two will be X and X, that is for female, friends. Okay, 44 plus 45, 46, total 46. If there is any disorder in this chromosome order, then we will be getting Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, triplex syndrome, Edwards syndrome, Patau syndrome. So question how they will ask: Down syndrome is due to dash disorder, chromosomal disorder, or genetic disorder, something like that they will ask. So you should remember these diseases, friends. So these are what we have seen: chromosomal disorder or genetical disorder, or inborn diseases or congenital diseases. Now we are going to see acquired diseases. Acquired diseases in the sense it is caused by some external matter, friends. Okay, external organisms causes diseases to our body. Okay, friends, that is acquired by us. It's not produced within us, but it is acquired from others or other organisms. So there are many types of acquired diseases. Some diseases non-communicable diseases, some diseases are communicable diseases. What are non-communicable diseases? The diseases which cannot transfer from one man to other man is called non-communicable diseases. So vitamin deficiency diseases, nutritional deficiency diseases, hormonal deficiency diseases, ulcer, cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, that is a heart, stroke, or some diseases in heart, paralysis, psoriasis. All these diseases are non-communicable diseases. In the sense, even if we touch those who have suffering from diabetes or cancer, even if you live with them, you will not get those diseases, friends. Okay, no vector can transfer these diseases from the victim to you, friends. Okay, and the other type is communicable diseases. Communicable diseases transferred from one person to other person, friends. So these are caused by one microorganism may transfer from one person to other person, or Helminthic also causes diseases, friends. What is Helminthic? Helminthic means worms, friends. Okay, so modes of communication. If you come to what is the modes of communication, it can uh, communicate through media, some medium like air, or through water. We will see this. So if we see here, there are many modes of communication, and the first one is airborne or droplet infection transmission, friends. Droplet infection in the sense, if someone sneezes or coughs, so they should be aware that they should close their mouth and nose with some handkerchief, friends. So if they don't do that, then the infection of droplets which comes out of their face with will affect other people around them. Okay, friends, the diseases which communicate through air are cold, influenza flu, swine flu, SARS, TB, pertussis, diphtheria, mumps, measles and rubella. And contaminated through food and water or cholera. You should remember, friends. See, cholera, typhoid, amoebiasis, helminthic diseases, hepatitis A, E, that is jaundice, diarrhea, all this will be transferred from one person to other person through water or food contamination, friends. The direct contact. See, friends, all the STD diseases, sexually transmitted diseases, and all skin allergical or skin fungal diseases caused by ringworm, anthrax, chickenpox, smallpox, Ebola, measles, hepatitis B, C, D, all can transfer from one person to other person through direct contact, friends. Okay. Contact with soil, in the sense here you can see that if you if you get into the soil without any protection to your legs, friends, if your leg is wounded or something like that, then if you get into the soil, then there is a chance that this hookworm disease is affected when the hookworm enters into the food. In the same way, you have probability to get tetanus, friends. Animal diseases is rabies. You know that dog bite causes rabies, friends, through some vectors or carriers. Insects, what are vectors? Insects acts like carriers to transmit diseases in humans, friends. See, if you take malaria, malaria is transferred by female Anopheles mosquito. Suppose one person, see, friends, if some person is suffering from malaria, then this mosquito will bite this person and it will bite the another healthy person, friends, healthy person. Then this person will get malaria. Okay, friends, for this mosquito, it is not affected by malarial diseases, friends. It is just the vector which transfers from one person to other person, friends, but it is not affected by this mosquito, friends. Only the humans who got this bite from the mosquito will face the disease, friends. Okay, that is the vector. So if we see some vectors and diseases, female Anopheles mosquito can transfer malarial disease. Female Culex mosquito can transmit filariasis and Japanese encephalitis. Filariasis is also elephantiasis, friends. You can see the swelling of the palm or leg in a person due to this filariasis. Female Aedes aegypti mosquito or yellow fever mosquito. This causes Zika, dengue, chikungunya and yellow fever, friends. See, friends, one small mosquito causes many diseases: Zika, dengue, chikungunya, yellow fever. Tsetse fly or tick fly causes sleeping sickness in Africa, friends. Sandfly causes black fever, and this disease is also known as Kala Azar. Rat flea causes plague, friends. Head loss causes typhus fever. Head loss causes or ticks causes typhus fever. Mango fly causes Calabar swelling. Housefly causes, this is water transmitted diseases, friends. These water transmitted diseases can also go through, that is, they can also be transferred through housefly. That is, cholera, typhoid, amoebiasis are the diseases which are transferred through food and water. So, bacterial disease. What are bacterial diseases? The diseases caused by bacterium. Okay, friends. Uh, Diseases, tuberculosis. TB is caused by bacteria, that is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Pertussis. Whooping cough is caused by Bordetella pertussis. Pneumonia causes by Diplococcus pneumonia. Above all three are respiratory diseases. All these respiratory diseases you have to remember, friends. Tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Pertussis, Bordetella pertussis. Pneumonia, Diplococcus pneumonia. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera. Typhoid is, this is very important bit, means typhoid caused by dash bacteria, Salmonella typhi. This cholera and typhoid are digestive system diseases, friends. Diphtheria, Corynebacterium diphtheria. Gonorrhea, Neisseria gonorrhea. Syphilis, Treponema pallidum. Okay, friends, gonorrhea and syphilis are STD, sexually transferred diseases, friends. Yaws, Treponema petunia. Treponema petunia. Okay, friends. Anthrax. Tetanus. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani. Anthrax, Bacillus anthracis. Plague, Yersinia pestis or Pastorella pestis. Leprosy, Mycobacterium leprae. Botulism, Clostridium botulinism. You can see, friends, the diseases and the bacteria names are almost same. The secondary names are same. For is anthrax, it is anthracis. For leprosy, it is leprae. For botulism, it is botulinum. Salmonellosis, salmonella. Peptic ulcer, Peploreus helicobacterium. So the names are very similar. It is easy for you to see. So we have seen some bacteria and bacterial diseases. Now we will see some viral diseases. So here there are two types of questions we can see, friends. Here you have to remember, see, many of them don't know how to answer. The diseases which are transferred through vectors. These are the diseases which are transferred through vectors, friends. Malaria, filaria, Zika virus, Kala-Azar, typhus, Calabar swelling, cholera, typhoid, amoebius, all these are transferred through vectors. That is one category. The diseases caused by bacteria. These you have to remember. Tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, diphtheria, gonorrhea, yaws, tetany, pneumonia. All these anthrax, plague, leprosy, botulism, these are bacteria causing diseases. And the question will come, what are the virus causing diseases or viral diseases? These are the viral diseases: chickenpox, smallpox, polio, rabies, common cold, influenza, bird flu, swine flu, hepatitis A, B, C, D, diarrhea, Ebola, SARS, AIDS, herpes. These are virus causing Japanese encephalitis, chikungunya, rubella, measles, mumps. These are virus causing diseases, and those viruses are also given here, friends. So you have to know what are bacterium caused diseases, one set, and viral causing diseases. That is the purpose the PDF is given, friends. So it is very important to have it's not explanatory but more of the factual, and you have to remember the. So if you come to AIDS, what is AIDS? What is AIDS, friends? Acute immunodeficiency syndrome. So this is caused by virus. HIV is a virus. So you have to remember human immunovirus. So AIDS is caused by bacteria or virus. Is it a chromosomal disease or a genetic disorder? No, this is virus causing diseases, friends, that you have to remember. Okay, friends, this you can study. Dengue is caused by dengue virus, rubella is caused by rubella virus, measles is caused by measles virus. So this differentiation is given so that You can easily answer in the exam. Fungal diseases. What is fungal? Fungal caused diseases are called mycosis. Mycosis. Myco means fungi. Okay, friends. Cis is fungal causing diseases. Mycology. Logy means studies. Myco means fungus. Study of fungus is called mycology. Mycosis is fungus causing diseases are called mycosis. So in fungal causing diseases we can see ringworm disease, athlete foot, Dobie itch, mycetoma or Madura foot, candidiasis, yeast infection, sporotrichosis, aspergillosis, blastomycosis. This you have to remember. So if you get ringworm diseases, it's a fungal disease. Skin disease, it's a skin disease. We can athlete foot, Dobie itch, candidiasis, sporotrichosis, aspergillosis, blastomycosis, mycosis. These are fungal diseases. You have to remember this. Okay. Protozoan disease. What is a protozoa? Protozoa are microorganisms belongs to animal kingdom, friends. Okay. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium protozoa. Amoebiasis and Entamoeba histolytica. See friends, these protozoans live on some other organisms and feed on them, friends. Okay. So periodontitis, oriental source, is caused by Entamoeba gingivalis, friends. Trypanosomiasis is caused by Trypanosoma gambiensis. Chagas disease is caused by Trypanosoma cruzi. Kalas or black fever is caused by Listamania. Balantiadis is caused by Balantidium coli. Giardiasis is caused by Giardia. Toxoplasmosis caused by Toxoplasma. So these are protozoan diseases. Helminthic disease. What is Helminthic? Helminthic is worms. Worms causing diseases, friends. There are two types of worms: platyworms, nematoworms. That is, we will call platyhelminthic, nematohelminthic. Platyhelminthic, in the name itself you can see it's a flat worms or tapeworms. Okay, friends, tapeworms. Taniosis or Taniocilium, or it is also called pork tapeworm, friends. Cysticercasis or Tinea saginata. Okay, friends, these are beef tapeworms, friends. Hedatidid disease caused by Echinococcus tapeworm, friends. It's a dog type tapeworm, friends. Schistosomiasis caused by Schistosoma flatworm, friends. Now we will see Nematohelminthic. Nematohelminthic is nothing but, see, platyhelminthic look like flatworms or tapeworms. These are thread-like worms. Nematohelminthic. These causes filariasis, guinea worm disease, ascariasis, exterobiasis, Calabar spelling, friends. For this the respective worms are given, friends. So filaria worms, guinea worms, ascariasis roundworm, enterobium worm, African eyeworm, Calabar swelling. So I have vastly covered all the diseases, friends. See here, the diseases caused by helminthic, that is worms, the diseases caused by protozoan, fungal diseases, virus diseases, and bacterial diseases, and vectors causing diseases, and what vector causes which disease. So this is very important. CC fly causes sleeping sickness or African sleeping sickness, friends. So most of the one-liners and all the differentiation between the types of diseases is given in this PDF. So it is more of factual, and you have to remember each and every point in this, friends. So it is always better to download this PDF so that it is easy for you to revision at the time of examination. Bye bye friends. In the next video we will coming up with the classification of plantae. Thank you. Bye bye.